Right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul, or Publix heist for the week. This is $242.22 worth of goods when it was all said and done. I had an overage, a money maker of $17.22. And as always, that includes the tax. So we're going to keep it real on my coupon boast here. It's for the week of January 27th to February 2nd, or January 26th to February 1st if you live out of the state of Florida, up north, or northern Florida. So I'm going to be doing this every week. Today is Thursday, the first day of the sale. So we do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals right away, because some of these deals will go away. Some will go away as early as tomorrow, so you got to get right on them. And there'll be new deals coming out, new extra savings book, and I'll post a video about that. So let me get right into these 16 best deals I thought this week at Publix. So some of these deals I did before, and yeah, I did them again because they came back in Ibotta. For example, the Royal Rice. So you buy 6 of these, and the regular price is $13.14, but they're on sale for 3 for $5. So when you buy 6 of them, that equals $10. And you use 2 manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source January 16th for $2 off of 3. So you can use 2 of those, so that takes $4 off. And you use 5. Ibotta has a rebate for these ones that are $1.25 off, a limit of 5. So I used $1.25 times 5. I got $6.25 off of that. And I also used another Ibotta rebate for that one, the white I can't even say that. Basmati. There you go. So that takes 75 cents off, and then Checkout 51 has $1 off of 2. So I used 3 of those because I got 6. So that took $3 more off. So in total, I had a $4.10 overage on that. Next deal, Chapstick. Did this deal before, and there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off, and there is a store coupon that expires tomorrow for $1 off. So they're by the register. It's $1.79 with tax, comes to $1.92 when you get $1 off from the store coupon, and $1 off from the digital coupon, making that an 8-cent money maker. Mountain Dew Rise did these before, did it again. So they are on sale. Their regular price is $3 each, so for 2 of them would cost $6.45 with tax. However, they're on sale 2 for $3.70, 2 for $3.50. So with tax, it comes to $3.76 for 2. Use a Publix digital coupon for a free one, takes $1.75 off. And yeah, there is a Rockstar Mountain Dew Rise rebate that takes $2 off of every 2 that you buy. I have the link and a detailed breakdown below, so check the details for that link to get that $2 off rebate on those 2, as well as, you know, the breakdown of everything I'm saying. All right, here we go. Nature's Bounty. This was a good one. Primrose oil. I found more of these. So always check the clearance rack, as I always say. So usually when stuff goes on clearance, they put it at half price. So these were $8.99, so they're $4.49. And there is a store coupon from the, what is this, New Year savings book. And that right there is $3 off. And there's a, from the Save January 2nd, there's a $2 off any one Nature's Bounty vitamin or supplement. So it took another $2 off. So these were $4.49. I got 4 of these ones, the Primrose oil. I got four of those. So that came to $17.96. I used 4 of each of these coupons, so I got $12 off from that coupon. Got $8 back from that for 4 of them. So that made a $2.04 overage on that. Similar, same kind of thing. The ginseng complex, I found those for $4.49. Regular, they're $8.99. So those cost $8.98 for 2 of them. And once again, I used 2 of each of these coupons, making that $1.02 overage. So yeah, I know. I don't want you to get mad at me because oh, I can't find those in my store, but you can find the zinc. So the zinc, the regular price for this guy is $5.99, and use one of those from the one of the store coupons. And I also got a link to print that if you can't find it in the store. And then use one of these from the Save 1 2. And then coupons.com has $1 off. There's also a digital coupon for $1 off. So make those zinc free, or a 1 cent overage on those. So don't get mad at me because you couldn't find these. Hey, maybe you will. Maybe you'll find something better. But you can definitely get the zinc there. But always check. You never know. I found a bunch of Centrum Vitamins last week on clearance. So, you know, as I said, they usually, when they put them on clearance, they put them for half price. Sometimes they don't sell after that. They put them another half price. So that's like, 75% off. So let's keep going. Jergens Healing Lotion. Everything's going up. So these were $4.09 a few days ago, and now it's $4.39, but still a good deal. So you say $4.39 with tax comes to $4.70. There's $1.50 off manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 2nd, and there is $1 back from Ibotta, and coupons.com has $1.50 rebate, making that only 70 cents when you combine all of those. Splenda Diabetic Shakes. I got 3 of them this time, so that was awesome. So the regular price for these are $9.99, so for 3 of them would cost $29.97. However, they're on sale for $7.49, so for 3 of them they cost $22.47. And I used 3 manufacturer coupons from the Save January 2nd, so that gave me $12 off, and I used $3 Ibotta rebate, gave me $9 more off, only costing me $1.47. And if you know, I was obviously working up to get a deal. I did this in 3 transactions because I had 3 $5 off of 30 Fresca Yamas coupons, and I don't even have one of them because I used my last one. I used them all this time, so that gave me another $15 off. So I broke this up into 3 transactions, going over 30. One was 30, one was 40, one was like 35 or 40. So I kept going over 30 each time, did 3 transactions. So that was $15+ helped out there. You're still going to have a moneymaker if you do these deals without those coupons, but thus my big moneymaker, of course. And let's keep going. Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. These are not on sale, $5.75. So for 4 of them, cost $24.72. And from there's a store coupon that expires tomorrow, and it's $3 off of 2. And then the Unilever January 23rd looks like this. That was a $4 off of 2. So you buy 4 of them, use 2 of those, and 2 of those, and submit to Fetch. You're over $15 on the Unilever products. You get $5 more off. So for all 4 of those, Tresemme cost $5.72. So a good deal, and helped me get up to my $30 threshold in that transaction. So I got 5 more off that time. Oh, keep going. Carbona washing machine cleaner. So let me show you how I did this. And it worked for me. So I got 5 washing machine cleaners, and I got 3 of the stain scrubber. So they're both $3.29. So for 5 of them, of these Carbona cleaners, for $3.29 would cost $17.68 with tax. The Carbona stain scrubbers would be $3.29 times 3 plus tax would be $10.61. So roughly you're looking at around over $28 for those 8 items, the 5 washing machine cleaners and the 3 stain scrubbers. But they are BOGO this week, so they cost me $14.15 for all 8 of them, and use a hang tag right here. I used 8 of those hang tags, and I also Ibotta had a limit of 5. That's why I got 5 of these, and a limit of 3 of these. So I got $1 Ibotta rebate, so $5 back from Ibotta on those, $3 back from Ibotta on those, costing me $14.15 as I just said because they're BOGO, and $8 off from 8 hang tags, $5 off from Ibotta for the washing machine cleaners, $3 off from Ibotta for the stain scrubbers, making that a $1.85 overage on those guys. Carbona kept going with the deal, so these are these I believe went up too because they were $4.39. So for 4 of them at $4.39, you're looking at $18.88. However, they're BOGO, so for 4 of them, you pay $9.44, and you can either use the hang tags. They'll work for these, or as you know, I bought these before, and there's a $1 off coupon inside, so I used 4 of those $1 off coupon, and then Ibotta had a $1 off. I believe a limit of 5, maybe a limit of 4, but I ended up getting 4 because they're BOGO. So I spent $9.44 for those guys. I got $4 back from the coupons that were inside the box, and I got $4 back from Ibotta, making that only $1.44. And once again, all this helps me reach my 3 $30 transactions, getting even $15 more back for me. So Madeira cream, keep going here. So these are regular price $19.99. They're on sale for $16.99, which is a good deal. And there is an $8 coupon from the save January 16th, taking $8 off. Ibotta has $6 back on that. So beautiful, only $2.99 for that guy. All right, keep going. Glisten garbage disposal cleaners. As you can see, I got 8 of them. So for 8 of them, they're $2.99 each. So for 8 of them, with tax, would cost $25.71. However, they're BOGO this week, so they are $12.86 for 8 of them. Since they're BOGO, with tax comes at $12.86. And I used 4 of these, and I got the link to print this below. It's $3 off any 2 Glisten appliance cleaners. When you print it in color, it looks a lot better. However, they accept black and white and color coupons in their coupon policy. Expires December 31st, 2022. So I got the link to print that below. So I used 4 of those. That took $12 off. So paying $12.86, getting $12 off only cost me 86 cents for all of those. And of course, I was getting more off because I was getting over 30. All right, keep going. Airwick, you got one more day for these guys. And it's a completely free item. It's from the Smart Source January 2nd. And it does say a limit of $3.99. Sometimes they take $3.99. However, they took $1, $2.79. So that's the price of them. And I had the Publix digital coupon clipped for $1.75 off Airwick, and it took that off. So that made that $1.33 overage. Last thing I got, because this was about to go expire, I had one more of these. I had a Publix digital coupon for this, and the regular price is $2.49. However, it's on sale for $1.25. Wow, really on sale. So half price. They're on sale for $1.25, and of course the digital coupon is smart enough. It sees what you paid, that you paid $1.25, and it took $1.25 off. So that was it. So this was $242.22 worth of goods. Had my overage moneymaker of $17.22. All the links to print the coupons are below, as well as a detailed breakdown of everything I'm saying. As well as I said, I used the competitor coupon. You want to check your store to see what competitor coupon they accept. I had to find one that accepted Fresca y Mas. I found it, and I went there and did 3 transactions. There was actually 3 different stores that accepted it. I did 2 transactions at one store and another transaction at another store. So check with your customer service. There's usually a poster, as you enter the store that says we accept these competitor coupons. Usually it's Winn-Dixie, whatever is within maybe a 5-mile radius, and is considered a competitive grocery store to them. They accept it. So, if you're going to spend this much, you want to utilize those competitor coupons if you have them, if you can find them. These came in the mail, and my neighbor's mail, so I was able to get a bunch of them. I also had a Publix perk that came off of $2, so that was good. And you will also have, Ibotta gives you a $3 off field goal bonus when you complete 5 offers, which I did complete 5 offers, so that was good. So that took another $3 off. So in total, as I said, $242.22 with a $17.22 overage money maker. Once again, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here if you have not. Check out my more videos here. I try to post more videos, couponing videos, some other just fun videos. Everybody enjoy their week.